Morning, delighted to be here at the Belfry again for the H&C News Golf Day in partnership with Meiko UK. We're here with a group of companies from across the industry, bringing people together, and we're all going to be raising a lot of money today for Zest Quest Asia, helping more young chefs come into hospitality.
Extremely grateful that Dennis decided to spread the word wider about Zest Quest Asia, set up by the Todiwala Foundation to inspire young budding British chefs to look at Asian cuisine as a first choice career, and to help us to encourage young students to look at Asian cuisine so that we can fill all the gaps that we have in our country today.
To us from Meiko to be supporting these charities, especially bringing young chefs into the industry where we can cement it for future generations to come.
Very important to network and see familiar faces in the industry, and also catch up for a great cause today for Zest Quest Asia. I'm part of hospitality and catering.
Today is massive importance to hospitality and to support Cyrus's charity, and just to kind of support what's going on in hospitality right now, because no one really fully understands the difficulties that we're all facing, and even within all cuisines, not just Asian cuisine but Indian cuisine, Chinese cuisine, we're all struggling for staff, and I think it's a fantastic cause to raise money to help those causes.
Good afternoon, happy to be here today supporting the H&C Golf Day for Zest Quest Asia. Really important, it's super tough getting chefs in the industry at the moment, so great to be here raising a few quid for them to help get some young people into work. Exciting times.
Great to be here at the Golf Day supporting Zest Quest Asia. It's a really good cause that develops some chefs, and obviously us at Ecolab work with a lot of chefs within the industry, so it's a really good cause and it's great to be here to support them.
We're really excited to be here at the Belfry today on a gorgeous day to support Zest Quest Asia. It's a really amazing initiative bringing new chefs into the business at the moment, which is something we really need in the industry. So really excited to be supporting that great cause today.
We're having an amazing day here at Hospitality and Catering News Golf Day at the Belfry. The golf's pretty awful and I'm not playing very well, but it's a beautiful day, and with Zest Quest Asia, who are really supporting diverse backgrounds coming into the hospitality industry, it's really great to see another initiative that will bring more people to what is a fantastic profession.
It's great to be supporting Zest Quest, supporting new chefs coming into the industry. It's important that we get a steady flow of new chefs into this wonderful hospitality sector. It's a great opportunity to develop a career and develop some new skills. So yeah, it's just a great day all round, and I'm proud to be supporting their objectives and their goals.
Great day here at the Belfry, beautiful weather, delighted to be supporting Zest Quest Asia at the H&C Golf event of the year, sponsored also by Meiko. Golf's going extremely well, and fantastic news fresh off the press, Boris Johnson has left.